In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Outlook experience. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tweak the look and layout so Outlook feels comfortable, efficient, and easy on your eyes. We'll start with Outlook on the web, then move to Outlook desktop. If you're using Outlook on the web, look to the top right of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a quick panel with common options, but for the full set we want, select General, then choose Appearance. This is where you control how Outlook looks and how your messages are arranged on the page. First, pick between light mode and dark mode. Light mode keeps a bright background that's great in well-lit spaces, while dark mode tones everything down to reduce glare and eye strain, especially at night. Try switching between them to see which one feels better for your workspace. Next, choose a theme color. This adjusts the accent color you'll see across buttons and highlights. It won't change how things work, but it can make the interface feel more personal and easier to scan if you pick a color that stands out for you. Then adjust the reading pane layout. You can place the reading pane to the right of your message list at the bottom or hide it entirely. If you like seeing a full message without constant clicking, a right-hand reading pane works well on wider screens. If you prefer a taller view, especially for long threads, placing it at the bottom can be helpful. Hiding the reading pane gives you a compact list, ideal if you want to rapidly triage messages first.